Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to the how-to series. Today we're going to do a rear wiper. Let's show you how to do it. Following on from the video we did last week on how to change the front wiper blades, the rear wiper blade is almost as easy, and of course there's only one. So this is what you do, this is how you do it. So these wipers are just held on by one little clip. Now it's very easy, when you take these out, it is very easy to break that clip, very easy. If you don't break it, it can get bent, so when you slot the new one in, it doesn't hold it in place and it will just be floppy and will eventually just fall out, especially when you activate the wiper. So the way you do this, we'll get the camera in close in a minute, but there's a little piece down here, if I can find it, and you have to, it's better if you can use a torch actually, and you get your screwdriver in and you just prise it out. So that little bit there is how you prise it out. You get a screwdriver in there and just prise it and it comes out just like that. And then we'll get the camera in close here and we'll show you the bit where you've prized it out from. So let's just get in close. Okay, so the little lever there that fits in to that slot, if that gets worn or breaks, then it will never grip onto that properly and your wiper will just fall out. So you just need to make sure that you be careful when you do, and these do over time go, so you know sometimes you may find that you might have to actually replace this. You can get these on eBay or get a new one. If you buy one on eBay, chances are that may be worn as well, and that's happened to me 2 or 3 times in the past. I've had to change them. So yeah, so that's the bit, that's how you do it. So you get a screwdriver in, you just gently prise it out. Let's show you how to put the new one in. Right, so we've got the new one, brand spanking new one. This is a non-OEM one, nice and cheap. So you get the new one and all you do is you put it into the wider part first, slot it in, push it home till it clicks, and that's it. That is the job done. So that is an easy job. A nice brand new wiper clicked into place. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned how to do this, and don't take your car to a garage to get it done. Do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.